Hey guys, my name is Sayasmi Gupta. I'm 8 years old. I'm the co-founder of 10xcoderkids.com and today I'm going to discuss with you global variables and local variables. So, I will go to Google Chrome and W3 School. Yes, Python and variables. And in a second, yeah. So what are global variables? Global variables are which can run outside the program also, and outside the sorry, wait a second. Yeah. So global variables are which run throughout the program, like they run in the all in the program, outside also the function and inside also the function. Okay. So x is equals to awesome. We have made a variable named x and we have given it the value awesome. Then we define a function. Okay. And say print Python is plus x. So x means x की value क्या थी? X की value थी awesome. And then print Python. So first it will print Python is, and then it will go x. So what was the value of x? X value was awesome. So Python is awesome. It will print Python is awesome on your screen like this. Okay. Yeah. So yeah. Now this is a this is a local variable. What is a local variable? Local variable is which can run inside the function only, not outside the program and all. Okay. So first we made a function variable which value is awesome, and then we made a function, and inside that function we made a local variable which value is fantastic, and then said print Python is Python is plus x. Now you must be thinking that it will print this x value or this x value, or it will bring an error. So what will it do? It will print this x value only because it's inside the function. Okay, and this will print Python is awesome because it's outside the function. Okay, so it will bring so output will come Python is fantastic and Python is awesome. So see, Python is fantastic and Python is awesome, as I said. So now what's this? That's my phone. Oh, wait a second. What's this? Give me a second, guys. Sorry. X is equals to, we can give it value awesome. Okay, yeah. So now what is doing? It's now x value is awesome. Okay, then it says def my son fun. Okay, and then it says global x. Then it's global x. So what does global x means? It means that now we will talk about the global x which is outside this function. Okay, and we will say x is equals to fantastic. Now what will it, oh shit, wait, yeah, so Oh, sorry. Oh shit. What is this? Sorry guys. Oof, oh, sorry. Slapped. Sorry. Yes. So Python is oh, thank goodness. Yeah. So now I'll start explaining this. So x is equals to awesome. It global variable x and its value is awesome. Okay, then we make a function and then global x. Now what does global x mean? Global x means that now we will talk about this global variable. If you want to change the value of this global variable, you will have to say global x and then x is equals to fantastic. Now what will it do? Now the value of x will be fantastic except awesome, and then print Python is plus x, so it will print Python is fantastic now, and then this my func. So our this function is finished. So we will like our function is finished. So we will do like this my func, and then print Python is plus x. So the value was changed of global x over here. So again it will say Python is fantastic. So what will be the output? Python is fantastic. Python is fantastic. Yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and you understood whatever I told. If you like this video, don't forget to press that like button, subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.